Now to question number 4, which is the bonus problem. This problem is composed of two triangles and a rectangle, which is the total. So to figure out this problem, you need to know that this triangle is an equilateral triangle, which all the sides are 170 and all the angles are 60 degrees. Also, the base of this triangle, the big triangle, is 170. The base of the small triangle is 30. So to find this, you have to split everything down the middle to get a 60 degree angle, a 30 degree angle, a side that's 85, because you divide this by 2. And since that is, therefore it's a 30, 60, 90 degree right triangle. Then you take the 85. Since the 30 degree angle points to the 85 and the 60 degree, there's relationships between the 30 degree and the 60 degree, and that's you multiply the 30 degree side by square root of 3, in which that is the height. So 85 square root of 3 is the height of this triangle. Next, you need to find the height of the small triangle. To find that, there's a triangle right here, which you can say is equilateral triangle, because it's all connected. And it's 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees all around. And then you do the same exact thing that you did before. You split it down the middle, you get a 30 degree angle, a 60 degree angle, and you have the side right here, which is 15, so you divide 30 by 2. Then you do, since this is 30 degrees pointing here and the 60 degrees pointing at the height right here, not the height but the length, you do 15 times square root of 3 and you get 15 square root of 3. Next, you subtract 85 square root of 3 minus 15 square root of 3 to get the height right here. That height comes out to 70 square root of 3. Next, you need to find the area of this little triangle right here, right there, and find the area and put it over the total, which the total is 340 times 204, which comes out to 69,360. That is the total that you'll be dividing all the targets over, because to find the probability, it's target over total. To find the area of this triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. So 30 times 70 square root of 3 divided by 2, which is 2100 square root of 3 divided by 2. And since you're going to be dividing it by 69,360, I put this in a fraction. And that comes out to, you multiply it, and then it simplifies to 35 square root of 3 divided by 2,312. That is 0.02622, or 2.62%, which I rounded. Next, we're going to find the area of the triangle, and we're trying to find the probability of this dark shaded part. So first, we're going to find the area of the triangle, which is 85 square root of 3 times 170 divided by 2. That comes out to 7,225 square root of 3. And since the area of that small triangle was 1,050 square root of 3, you need to subtract it because you need this little dark area. You don't need that area right there. So you subtract that, and it comes out to 6,175 square root of 3. You divide that by 69,360, and that simplifies to 1,235 square root of 3 divided by 13,872. And then that is 0.154201, or 15.42%. Lastly, you need to find the dotted portion of this problem. To find that, you need to take the total minus this triangle right here. Only this triangle. You don't need to subtract them both, because this triangle includes that triangle. So therefore, you need to take 69,360 and subtract it by 7,225 square root of 3. That comes out to 56,845.9, and you divide that by 69,360. And then that is 0.819578, or 81.96%. That is how you figure out problem number 4 of the geometry practice, and the bonus, which is the bonus. Thank you for watching, and hopefully that helps.